Do it again.
D A F F. 100% correct. That's a cool sound. Try again.
Try again.
3 letters to spell a word. D A D.
Good job.
Great. You spelled the word dad.
Good job.
2, 3 letters.
What else can you spell?
Spell a word for me. C T
No.
E.
No.
You really know your letters.
Sound it out.
That's a cool sound. Try again. 2, 3 letters.
Mm-hmm.
Spell a word. C
Ah, ah, ah.
A
Mm-hmm.
T.
Good job.
100% correct.
What was the first word you spelled?
The word.
Can you spell that? I missed it.
2, 3
What
letters
one?
to spell
Mom? Did you spell mom?
or make a cool
No.
sound.
Can you do it again? I missed it.
P
Mm-hmm.
What else?
Wanna play some more? O
And
P.
good job. What was that?
Yahoo! You spelled the word pop.
Pop.
Good job.
3 letters to spell a word.
Can you spell mom?
Or make a cool sound. M O M.
Good job. What about hat?
You know your letters.
Can you try to spell hat?
You spelled the word mom.
Can you sound it out?
2, 3 letters to
No.
spell a
Ha,
word.
ha, ha,
Or
ha.
make a cool sound. A.
Oh. Huh.
See?
Wanna play some more?
Yeah, but you have to start it over because you already pushed a letter.
T T F.
There you go. Now you can spell a new word.
Correct.
Do you want to try to spell hat?
Cool sound.
No.
Try again.
Are you done?